and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Discord voice call failed or failed to start. So first of all, get over to your Discord app, get logged into your account, then tap onto your profile. Here, select the gear button on your top right. Scroll below under app settings, select voice. Under input mode, make sure this voice activity is selected instead of push to talk. And likewise, make sure this input sensitivity is full and the volume is also full. And as you do that, make sure this enable mobile voice overlay is also turned on. Once done, see if it changes anything. If it's still not working, then that might be a technical glitch. Head over to your Play Store and then here search for Discord. If you see update like mine, tap on update and update your app. Now, all you have to do is restart your device, open your Discord, and it will fix your problem. If it's still not working, then you might need to give permission. So let's confirm that Discord has permissions. Scroll below, select apps. In here, search for Discord. As you see your Discord application, launch it. In here, you will see permissions. Open permissions and make sure this music and audio and microphone is allowed. So tap microphone, select allow. Now guys, try again, it will work. Thank you for watching.